Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 104 of Surah Al-Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا قيل لهم تعالوا واو مخرج of واو is circle in your lips ففتحة upon jaws Hamza is شديد for kasra give sound, the sound is short. The you have to put your tongue under the frontal teeth nicely and give that zabzaba sound. The zal has rakhawa and hums. So give both the the rakhawa is flow of sound. So this should be heard very nicely. The qaf is comparatively light because there is kasra on it and it is 2 counts long. Qi, la. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La. Again, the sound is short. Hum for dhamma, circular lips. When you are removing the effects of dhamma on your lips, this is where you should find your when your lips should be on meme. So on meme, you are not stretching your lips back, but you are keeping the lips normal. Just remove the circling lips, and then you are good for meme. Hum and meme is tawassut, not rakawa, so you're not stopping too long. Hum, ta is sharp. For fatha open your jaws, ayn from your throat, and it should be 2 counts long. Law, lean for fatha. You have to open your jaws and then attach with waw. So give 1 count here on lam. You're giving 1 count here on waw. That will be 2 counts. So you are making it soft and 2 counts long. Law, shadid sound for kasra give sound. La, 2 counts long and without keeping sound in your nose. So any mud, if it's 2 counts long or it is 4 counts long, you are removing the sound from your nose. It should not go in your nose. La, ila, ma, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. So whenever you are saying any ikhfa, you are going towards the makhraj of the next letter. This is za, so za is behind your lower teeth. So it should you can also say as the as the so za so you can check your tongue if it is close to the makhraj of za. When you say azza, so you figure out the position where your tongue should be. So za for fatha upon your jaws. Law, this lam is light. This lam has it's heavy because there is fatha before it. Lallahu. And makhraj of lam and noon are very close. So make sure that it should not get the sound of noon. It is lam. La, la. Hu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of our circle in your lips. For fatha on your jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is shadid. E for kasra give sound. Law, lam is light, but lafz ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Whenever ra has fatha, it is heavy. Law, and give the wasut, but the wasut should not go to touch rakhawa. Rakhawa is longer, the wasut is short. So keep ra short, not too long. La, but there should be takrar here in ra. La, su for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long and make sure your long vowel should not go in your nose. Li for kasra give sound. Qa, Ghain, Kha, and Qaf are the letters which are heavy but they don't have itbaq. These are the letters which have infitah. So these are maftuha letters, munfatiha. So when you are saying qaf, there should be a gap between it. Qa, qa, and it is 2 counts long. Qa, lu, for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. Has gives rakhawa on seen, but it should not go very long. Has bu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Wa, circle in your lips. Why I keep on saying this? Because many people make this mistake that they use their teeth and lips to say wow. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips only, and for fatha upon your jaws, jade jim is shadid letter, and when it is attached with dal, it is getting qalqala. Qalqala should be very nicely done because it is majhura. There should not be flow of any breath here. Jade, jade, na, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. Lay, 2 counts long. Harfleen, yailin. So make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Lay, yi, for kasra give e sound. 2 counts long. Ba, mad, muttasil, wajib. Make it 4 counts long. Make sure your long vowel should not go in your nose. Ba, a, na, a is very sharp sound for patha open jaws. The sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Hey, you are making it 2 counts long because we are stopping here. We have decided to stop here. If you are not stopping, you're continuing the your recitation, then you will make it 4 counts long because then you will find Hamza after that. So when you are deciding to stop, it will be 2 counts long only. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. Um, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Low, wow, lean. So make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Ka, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws. 2 counts long. Ba, mad muttasil wajib. Make sure it should not go in your nose. U, for the circle ellipse. And we are not pronouncing wow, but we are pronouncing Hamza. The U, the sound is sharp for the circle ellipse. Hum for the circle ellipse. As you will touch meme, your lips should be back on its position, but it should not give the position of like smiling back. Don't smile back for to bring your lips back. Back should be back on its normal position, not smiley position. Hum, la, 2 counts long. Yeah, yeah, it's soft for patha open jaws attached with ain. Ain should be from your throat nicely with tawassut. Yeah, la for patha open jaws. The sound is short. Moo should not go on your nose and circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Na for patha open jaws. Shay. This is Yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Shay, ow, idgham, you keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because it has akmal gunna. So this is idgham with akmal gunna. Wa for makhraj of wow, circle limbs for patha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Yeah. Yeah, soft for patha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. But rakhawa should be rakhawa, not double rakhawa. Yeah. Ta is very sharp. Doon. When you are stopping, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالَوْا إِلَى مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ الله وإلى الرسول قالوا حسبنا الله sorry قالوا حسبنا ما وجدنا عليه آباءنا أولو كان آباؤهم ولا لا يعلمون شيئا ولا يهتدون يا أيها الذين يا make it four counts long أيها when you are attaching ya here you are applying number but your number should go in flow like you should not cut off sound in between you are attaching hamza with ya and you keep on saying the second ya right beside it. You are not cutting off the sound here. أيها الذين ha is attached with lam. Lam you get sip off the wasut, not rakhawa. So keep it soft. هلا la رفعت upon jaw. There should be dhaba here. The sound of rakhawa. Rakhawa is flow of sound. So the sound should flow very nicely. It should not go silent. Na for fatha upon jaws. Two counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Nu for the circle left, make it two counts long. And your sound should not go in your nose. Ain from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws. Lay, yailin. So make it two counts long and make it soft. Kum for the circle ellipse, attach with me. We will get sifa of the wasat. And حكمه إظهار. This is the ikhfa is with fa. So your upper teeth should be close to your lip, but it should not touch it. Fu se fu for the circle lips. And for ikhfa, don't forget to keep the sound in your nose nicely and for longer time. Fu se for fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circle lips attached with me. We will get sipa of the wasut. La two counts long. Ia soft for fatha upon jaws. Dur dot is heavy for the circle lips and ra is heavy too. So keep both dot and ra heavy. Kum for Dhamma, circle ellipse, and this is idgham shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Whenever there is idgham, the gunna is akmal. So man, this ikhfa is heavy. So you are lifting your tongue nicely because the makhraj of ta has itbaq. Man Walla. God is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam gets about the wasut. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. E for kasra give E sound. The dal has dabdaba, flow of sound, and attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakawa. The ta is sharp. They ya lean. So make it soft and make it two counts long. They tum for the circle let's attach it mean and give tawassut only. E for kasra give E sound. La. Keep the sound of lam very clearly. It should not go to touch noon. La two counts long. He for kasra give E sound. Mar meme is light, but ra is heavy and ra has tawassut and takrar. Mar G for kasra give E sound. Ru ain from your throat nicely. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Kum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Ja for kasra give E sound. Me two counts long. This is ikhfa and your teeth should be very close to the lip, but it should not touch until the fa is there. So, and ikhfa, you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time too. Fa, give hams and fa for fatha upon jaws. You keep ya soft for the circle lips. The sound is short. Nabi, ba has shidda. So, nabi. B for kasra, give E sound. U for the circle lips. Kum, ikhfa shafawi. You're keeping the sound in your nose. For the circle lips, as you will touch ikhfa shafawi, your lips should be in a normal position, but not go and don't stretch back. Kum, B for kasra, give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long. This ikhfa is with ta, so your lip should be very close to the makhraj of ta. If you wanted to check, you can say kuttu, tu, tu. You can check the makhraj and then you will say kuntum. So you keep the tongue very close to your makhraj of ta. Tum for the circle ellipse attached meme. Meme will get sip off the wasut. Ta Ain has it should be from your throat nicely. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Loon. Because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4 now. So this is mad arid lisakun. يا أيها الذين آمنوا عليكم أنفسكم لا يضركم من ضل إذا اهتديتم إلى الله مرجعكم جميعا فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا شهادة short ha 2 counts long. The for fatha upon jaws. 2 for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Bay. This is yailin, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Ni for kasra give e sound. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me. We will get the of the wasut. And حكمه إظهار إي ذا ذبذبة and rakawa, make it 2 counts long. Ha from your throat. Dod is heavy and with itbaq, make for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Ra is heavy. Ra has takrar for fatha upon your jaws. Sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Ha for fatha upon jaws. The sound should be from your throat. Da for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short and sharp. Ku for the circular lips. Mul for the circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. Mau wow lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Mau tu for the circular lips. He 2 counts long. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. Wa makhraj of wow circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Si Sad is heavy and sad when you're touching ya, you're giving number whenever wow and ya has tashdid, it gets number and number is jump of sound. But make sure you are not cutting off the sound, but you are going in a flow. Sorry, yeah, teeth. For kasra give e sound attached to tha. Tha has this is harf lathawiya. So lathawiya should have and this had rakhawa too. So you are giving the flow of sound. Hith, teeth, na, 2 counts long. Ni, for kasra, give E sound. The for give the ba in here. This is dal has rakawa. The wa, two counts long. Circle your legs of makhraj for makhraj of wow. عاد, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, attach it dal. Dal you get sifa off. Qalqala, and dal is majhura. So the qalqala should be very, very nicely done. عاد lim. This is idgham. Idgham with gunna, akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Minkum. The makhraj of qaf and kaf seems like very close to idhar, but the mechanism is very different. So you are lifting your tongue up and you are closing the makhraj. So the sound should be heard like minkum. For the circle ellipse attached me, we will get sip of the wasud. Ow. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. This is wow lean, okay? 2 counts long. Fa, fa. For fatha upon jaws, ra. It has takreer and make it 2 counts long. Ni, for kasra give E sound. Min. This is idhar. And sifas tawassut. Ghoi. Gha. Remember, we talked Kha, Ghain, and Qaf are munfatiha. So keep your mouth open while you are saying this Ghain, Gha. It is heavy. You're lifting your tongue up, but it has munfatiha sound too. Gha, the sifa of munfatiha, has make it very different from Sad, Dad, Ta, and Dha. Ghoi, ghoi, and yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Ghoi, iri, for kasra give E sound, and ra is light. Kum, for the circle lips, as you attach meme, your lips should be in a normal position, but don't stretch it back. In idhar, ruling is idhar, and sifa is tawassut. Uh, this is ikhfa, which your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta. Tum, for the circle lips, attach with me, we will get sifa of tawassut, and ruling is idhar. Dad is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy, but ba should have qalqala only, but it should not be heavy. رابع تم for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut and ruling is idhar. Feel for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ra has tawassut and takrar. Di for kasra give E sound. The sound is heavy and short. Fa give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. Very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Sa 2 counts long. Should have itbaq. Itbaq means you are lifting your tongue and pasting it on your palate. Sa, but give hums in ta. It should not seems like seen. How you can remove the sound of seen from this ta hums of ta by like you are giving shidda on ta, but and when you are removing your tongue from the makhraj, the sound which is little bit blocked behind will go on. That is hums. But the sound is weak. You should be hearing it very nicely. The other person might miss it, but it should be like this. But it is weak. The hams is weak, but you should know how to do it. But kum for the circle ellipse, and this is ikhfa shafi, which has This is not إخفاء شفوي, this is إدغام شفوي, and إدغام has a longer time in your nose. كم for the circular lips. صي so this heavy, make it 2 counts long. ب for فتح one just. تل for the circular lips attach with لام يلقى صفة التوسط. موت, and then again there is humps of ta. When you are stepping on this place, then you are giving humps because you are giving sukoon on ta. And this has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madleen now because this is harfleen. When you are stressing it, it is making it madleen. It is not madarat al-sukoon. That is sharp of a top and jaws attached. Ha will get sipa of Rokhawa and should be from your throat nicely. B for kasra give E sound. Su 2 counts long. Na for fatha and jaws. Hu for the circle lips. Ma 2 counts long. Mim iqlab, and iqlab has gunna too. Mim ba. Ba is sharp, fatha and jaws attached with I9 will get sipa of tawassut, and it should be from your throat nicely. This dal is light, but sad is heavy. Sad has rakhawa, it has safir, and it is heavy too. This sa for fatha one jaws. La 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Fa give hams in fa for fatha one jaws. Yuqa for the circle lips attached with qaf. Qaf give qalqala on qaf nicely, and it should be heavy nicely. Yuqa. C for kasra give E sound. Ma 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give E sound. Bil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get above the wasl, and lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Billah 2 counts long, and make sure you keep the sound away from noon. Billah la he for kasra give E sound. Why I'm saying, because noon and lam, makhraj of noon and lam are very close. You might be going towards noon, don't go there, but lam should be there. Billah la he for kasra give E sound. E for kasra give E sound. Near ra is heavy because you can find hamzatul wasl before it, and this kasra is not asli, so you are making a ra heavy here. Ineru, and ra is heavy, tawassut, and it should have takrar, but it should not touch the length of rakhawa. Ineru, tab, that is sharp fatha. When jaws attached, ba will get very nice qalqala because ba is majhura. There is no flow of breath here. Tab, tum for the circle left attached. Mim will get zip after wasut, and ruling is with her. La 2 counts long. Nash give rahawa on ra sheen. Nashta for fatha open jaws. Ri 2 counts long. B for kasra give E sound. He 2 counts long. Sta for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Now it gone with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa makhraj for circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Low, make it soft. This is wow lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Ka should be away. This long vowel should be away from gunna. Ka na for fatha open jaws. The 2 counts long. Or Qaf is heavy and ra is heavy too because there is the ma before it. Oh, ba 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of our circling lips of fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Neck, give hums on kaf. Neck, it should be heard nicely. It's not that weak as in ta. The hums of ta is weaker than this, but kaf should, you can hear the other person saying it. Neck, neck, tu for Dhamma circle ellipse. Mu for Dhamma circle ellipse. The sound is short. Sh for Fatha point jaws. The sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. Da for Fatha point jaws. The sound is short. La. Ta is light, but Lafz Jalala will be heavy because there is Fatha for it. The sound should be away from Noon. La. He for kasra give e sound in gunna, so make it keep the sound in our nose for a longer time. Na, this long mud should be away from the sound, nasal sound. Na, e for kasra give e sound. Dal, tawassut, la, the sound is short. Me for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws attach with lam. Lam you get zip off the wasut. 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Meen. Because of this waqf, you are giving a sukoon here. This sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is mad arid sukoon. يا أيها الذين آمنوا شهادة بينكم إذا إذا حضر أحدكم الموت حين الوصية اثنان ذوى عدل منكم أو آخران من غيركم إن أنتم ضربتم في الأرض فأصابتكم مصيبة الموت تحبسونهما من بعد الصلاة فيقسمان بالله إن ارتبتم لا نشتري به ثمنا ولو كان ذا قربى ولا نكتم شهادة الله إنا إذا لمن الآثمين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.